another hay manger for these goats. Now the problem that I ran into were the studs, the length of the studs inside the goat pen was not the same length as the holes for the mount. So what I did is I took a 2x4 and I nailed it into where the studs are, top and bottom, top and bottom. And then I nailed the manger directly into the 2x4 to make my own studs. So now all we have to do is, hey buddy, all we have to do is test, put the hay in there, and if it works, then it will be much easier for the goats to have their on-demand hay like every goat should have. So let's go give that a try.
More interested in him?
So, the reason we put up the new manger is goats have to eat hay all the time. It's their preferred food. And they don't like to eat it off of the ground. It's something that they like to eat up rather than to graze down for the most part, at least from what I've read. So, one of the reasons we want to have them graze up as well is poop falls on the ground, their pee falls on the ground, there's bugs, there's, in case they knock over their water dish, the ground is kind of gross anyways. You wouldn't want to eat off the ground, and our goats don't want to either, most of the time. However, so I put up the manger that way so I can put the hay in from the top. Goats are also messy eaters, so putting the hay in from the top and then eating from the bottom, but having something to contain it all, that will reduce the amount of hay that we waste, because again, goats won't eat hay off the ground, so they're going to eat messy, it's going to fall to the ground, and then they're not going to want to do anything with it. It just kind of becomes part of their bedding. So there's a lot of hay waste. So a manger is one great way to save money on hay if you're in our situation and you don't have an unlimited supply of hay. So that's why I installed the manger. That's why I'm making this video, so you can learn a few things about goats. Thanks. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell so you can get notifications whenever we put up a new video. And if you like the video, hit the like button and leave a comment. We're a new channel, we're a small channel. It's going to pop up into more people's recommended feeds if you're interacting with the video. We have to play with YouTube's algorithms. So please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Thanks, have a great day. Bye.